We'll guide you through how to change your Apple Pencil tip. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So firstly, we're going to need a new tip to go and replace the existing one with. So some models of the Apple Pencil will come with a spare tip. As you can see in the box here, it came with this with the adapters, which have a spare tip here. This won't be the case for all Apple Pencils, so you may need to go and purchase some more. If you need some Apple Pencil tips, then I'll go and put a link down below to Amazon, which is an affiliate link which supports the channel at no extra cost to you, to the tips which you can go and get. But of course you can go and get them from Apple as well. So firstly, we need to go and remove the existing one. So all you need to do is simply unscrew it. So you sort of pinch it, and then you can either unscrew the tip or the pencil, just like so, and it doesn't take too many turns, and then you've gone and disconnected it. So then, as you can see, this is what it looks like, and you then need to go and get your tip. So I'm going to go and take mine out of the box here. Here it is, and then all you need to do is go and put it on the Apple Pencil like so, and then you just need to go and screw it up like that. And that's it. That is how you can go and replace the tip on your Apple Pencil. It's super simple. If you use your Apple Pencil a lot, then it's likely you will probably need to go and do this. So if you guys found this useful, then please go down below and consider leaving a like.